Hi, Griffin. What are you doing? Rocket? Okay, let's go.
We go. Go, go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast it!
Push the button. No, push the button.
I can see it. It's purple.
No, you're not good. It's good. No. Okay. No, don't touch it. No.
How'd the launch go?
Good.
Where did it land?
It ran over there.
Okay, near the horses? Okay. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
This rocket is our 6th one we are going to do. The Tucson Technics have been working on rockets. As you know about the fins, we are going to talk about a different thing today. I know you know a little bit about the nose, but I'm going to talk about some parts of the body you might not see. Alright. It says Tucson Technics downward, of course, and we have the book right here. Well, there's these hoops right here, and that tape down there. I also want to show you the launching place. First, we have this long wire that's connected to that thing where we launch it. Well, it has these two things that can clip onto stuff, and there's these two lines. They clip onto them, and then that gives the power to the rocket for it to blast up with fire out. When it comes down, it will shoot out with the rocket you already know. And our last flight was really good. It was very far, all the way over there, and it went so high up you couldn't bet you couldn't see it. Let's go, Tucson Technics. Tucson Technics rocket launch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast up!
Now.
I think I'm going to catch that one.
Oh. Okay, Walker, talk about what happened there. Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Talk about what happened, Walker.
This came down so fast! It came down like a bow and arrow! Wasn't that funny?
What didn't happen?
What didn't happen was the parachute came out.
It didn't come out, did it?
It didn't.
Oh, I see what happened, though.
Yeah, you see our little card on here. Tucson Technics.